Hello?
What's up, man?
Hey, man, how's it going?
I'm good, I'm good.
All right, man.
What's up?
Not much, man. Hey, I had some things come up. I'm not going to be able to sell the car anymore. I'm so sorry it's like last minute and stuff.
Dude, are you serious?
Yeah, man, I apologize.
Bro, I already got a loan out. I already set up my whole car thing, like everything.
No, I'm just messing with you, bro. All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So as you heard on that last clip, I am selling my car, and I don't know. I just wanted to be funny and give that kid a little heart attack. So yes, the car is for sale. As you heard in that last clip, I am leaving tomorrow to go and sell the car. I have bukus of stuff to give him. The factory wheels. We have factory side markers. I don't know why somebody would want that, but it's going with it. Factory lug nuts with a key. Factory brakes. Lug nuts that go with the wheels. Sun visor. Brand new oil filter. Front license plate. Front mud guards. Factory clutch. He's getting a K-tuner. Factory steering wheel. Factory brake rotors. Factory tail lights, as you can see there, and then a bunch of random, this is all the parts that came off from the big turbo build. We also have some brake pads in there, stuff like that. And then here are some other of the this is the parts that came off for the intercooler piping. So all that's going to be going. Went ahead and took the decals I had off here. That one had my Instagram or my YouTube. This one had my Instagram. Of course, the car's locked, but everything's ready to go. As you can see, 2 sets of keys. It's crazy to think that this is my last 24 hours with the car. I got everything nice and clean. Yep, I'm super excited. This guy, Alex, hit me up off of, he shot me an email. It was like, hey man, the first time you were selling your car, I thought you were going to be asking a lot of money. And I think I didn't mention how much I was selling it for in the first video when I announced that I was selling it. And then that sale fell through, and then he emailed me and was like, hey, is it still available? And things went from there. So it's crazy to think that this car is going to be going away. I think that as it sits, we have, let's see, should be right around 27,000 miles. Yep, right at 27,309 miles, and she's going away. Man, I sure am gonna miss this car. Put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this thing, but it's all right, man. It's a part of it. I'm excited, you know, obviously to sell this car to another kid, another young man, and start my next build. A lot of good memories. He's like, hey, are you excited about selling it? I'm like, yeah, I'm kind of excited, but I'm also kind of sad at the same time. But it's all right. The next build is going to be just as good. I am definitely going to miss this car a lot. But I am also super excited. So the game plan is we are going to be meeting up in Gainesville, Florida at his bank. And in the morning, I'm going to go pick up a U-Haul car trailer that I rented for the day. It was like 55 bucks, can't beat it. Beats me having to drive the car, and I don't want to risk anything happening to it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to drive right at a little over 4.5 hours. I'm going to meet him at the bank, sign the papers, and yeah, sign the car over. So let's do it. All right, guys, it's now time to head and go get the U-Haul. It's starting to sink in that this is actually happening. It's going down for real. It's going to be the last day I'm going to have my car with me. You know, I do want to give a big shout out to everybody. You know, this car really made this channel what it was. You know, I've had other cars on the channel, but a lot of people came to the channel for this particular ride. So I am very appreciative of that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get a nice little cold start for the truck. All right, while the truck's warming up, I'm going to go inside and grab a few things. Alrighty, I'll catch up back with you guys at the U-Haul place. Alright, we just picked up the U-Haul. That took a little bit longer than what I wanted, but as you can see, the U-Haul is behind us. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get back to the house, load the car up, and then put anything that we can't put in the the bed of the truck or the cab. We're gonna fill up the car. So let's get to getting the Honda on the trailer, baby. Now to start the long drive to Gainesville, Florida. Man, it's kind of so unreal seeing this car on the trailer, but I'm excited to start the next project. Just give you guys a little look at what it looks like on the trailer. It's gonna look good going down the road. All right, here we go. 4.5 hours to Gainesville, Florida. No, you're good. Yeah. All right, guys. So we just made it here to Shefflin, Florida. Got all the paperwork done. The car is now officially Alex's. I'm going to introduce you guys to him right now. What we're going to do is we're going to walk over the last key to him. Just got the actual car off the trailer, and yeah, let's go ahead and give him the final key. All right, man. Alex, say what up.
How you guys doing?
All right, man. Congratulations. Hey, man. I appreciate you. Appreciate making this happen. So yeah, I hope you definitely enjoy this car. And yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna miss it. If you have an Instagram, let me know, because people want to follow the car some more. So just let me know about that. All right, man. Take it easy.
Yep.
Bye bye. No longer mine. There she goes, man, saying our final goodbyes to the 2017 Civic Si. Getting used to that clutch. Damn, I'm gonna miss that car. One last little, here he comes. All right, she's gone. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Want to give a big shout out to Alex for buying the car, and I'm very excited about the next build. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch you on the next video, because we may be revealing what the next car is going to be / project. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. All right, guys, we are finally home. It is 11:26. What a haul that was. We managed to make it back. It's about 11:30. Got the U-Haul dropped off, and yeah, it's 11:30 at night. I'm editing this video so you guys can have it tomorrow, because my promise to you all is that we're gonna have a video every Wednesday. Do want to give a big shout out to Josh. Thank you for coming with me. I couldn't have loaded this car, loaded all the stuff that comes with it, blah blah blah, etc. You know, unloaded the U-Haul, all that stuff without you. So Josh, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for helping me. And Alex, thank you so much for buying this car. I hope you enjoy that car as much as I enjoyed building it, and I've had a lot of fun with that car. And I know you're gonna enjoy it. And wow, I still can't believe it's real. Open my garage, Honda's gone. Still really hasn't set in yet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. the next build is gonna be even bigger and badder. I'm super excited. It's hard to keep it under a wrap. Comment down below if you guys think you know what it is, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and please comment down below what you think I'm getting. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I am tired. Peace.